Welcome! I'm excited to introduce B12's powerful new version, B12 3.0. This is the next evolution of the B12 website builder. Instead of starting with templates and manual edits, just describe your business, and our AI agent will generate a website tailored to your exact needs. In this video, you'll see how it works, from signing up and generating your AI website to refining it with the AI agent, making visual edits, previewing, and publishing it online. B12 3.0 gives you more flexibility, more control, and a faster way to launch a professional site. Let's get started. To begin, head to the B12 sign-up page. You'll see a prompt field where you describe your business and website. Type a clear description of what you do, who you serve, and what you want your site to accomplish. For example, build a website for small business owners needing family law help, focused on consultation requests. Think about what matters most to your visitors and include that in your description. The more specific you are, the better your result, and the fewer edits you'll need later. If you're not sure how to phrase it, try drafting your description in an external AI tool first, then paste it here. When you're ready, click the up arrow. Now you'll see the generation screen. This is where the AI builds your website from scratch, starting with a homepage, sections relevant to your business, copy written around your description, and a starting layout and style. Instead of choosing a template first, the AI builds a tailored foundation based on what you told it about your business. Generation takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The task list in the AI agent chat bar allows you to see what's being built in real time. When it's done, you'll hear a chime, and your new website will appear in the editor. Now you're inside the editor. Here's a quick orientation. In the center, you'll see your website preview. You can navigate through this preview just like a live site. On the left, there's the AI agent chat panel. This is where your conversation with the AI agent gets stored. At the top right, you'll find the preview and publish buttons. You also have access to a code editor for deeper customization. B12 3.0 is built around flexibility. You can edit using AI, adjust content visually, or modify the underlying code directly. Most of the time, you'll use a combination of all three. This first draft looks great, but I still have a few changes I want to make before launching. Let's make some additional edits with the AI agent. In the chat panel, type a natural language instruction, something like, rewrite the heroes section copy to sound more confident. The AI agent reads your instructions and updates your site's code to match. You can use it to add or rearrange sections, rewrite text, adjust colors or spacing, or build entirely new sections and pages. For the best results, be specific and work in small steps. 1 to 3 focused requests at a time give you cleaner, more predictable results than asking for several changes at once. For more targeted changes, try using Visual Edit. In the AI Agent chat panel, click Visual Edit to turn it on. Then click the exact element you want to change, like text, an image, or a button. Type your request in the Ask AI Agent field and click the up arrow to send it. For example, change this button text to schedule a consultation. Watch as the AI agent makes the changes. Oops, looks like there's a code error. This can happen sometimes, especially after making structural or styling changes. But don't worry, the AI agent can help you fix it. If you want to know more, click Error Log to see what caused the issue. This will show you details about what's breaking in the code. Once you've reviewed it, click Try AI Fix. The AI will analyze the error and attempt to correct it automatically. In many cases, this resolves the issue in seconds. And remember, you can always restore a previous version if needed. If you want to edit text, click Visual Edit, then click on the text element you want to update. In the text box, enter your new text, then click Save. This will update your copy on your website. You can also replace and edit images. The Edit tool lets you crop, flip, rotate, and apply filters to an image so it fits your design better. You can add alternative text to describe your image to screen readers by clicking Metadata. To swap in a different image, click Replace. Select Library to choose an image file you want to use. Use Search to look for stock photos through Pexels. You can also ask the agent to regenerate an image. Let's try changing this photo to something realistic. For example, replace this with a realistic family photo in a professional office setting. Visual Edit updates only the element you selected. Each change is logged in the AI chat, and every time a change is applied, a restore point is automatically saved. Let's say I don't like the image that was generated. Click Restore, then Confirm. All changes since the version you selected will be undone. Use the regular AI chat for broader updates, like adding sections or restructuring a page. Use Visual Edit when you want to fine-tune something specific. For users who want even more control, the code editor gives you direct access to your site's HTML and CSS. You can adjust spacing, typography, layout behavior, and more. And because B12 3.0 saves automatic restore points, you can experiment freely. If something doesn't work, restore a previous version and keep going. When you're ready to review your work, click Preview. This opens a private version of your site in a new tab. The preview link in your browser's address bar is safe to share with clients or teammates for feedback. It's not publicly visible. Only people with the link can see it. Once you're happy with your edits, click Publish. Publishing makes your site publicly accessible so visitors can find and view it online. This step takes a little longer than previewing. After publishing, your website will be live on a default B12 subdomain. You can also connect a custom domain to use your own branded web address. If you don't already have a domain, you can purchase one directly through B12 and receive your first year free. Check out our video on connecting a domain, linked in the description. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your own personalized website. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.